If you need to reset two-factor authentication on your Stripe account, follow these steps to regain access. This process will guide you through the necessary actions to reset your authentication settings. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and log in using your email and password. If you are prompted for two-factor authentication code, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Select Need Help. On the two-factor authentication prompt, look for the Need Help link. Click on it to access recovery options for your account. Step 3. Choose recovery method. You will be presented with different recovery options, such as receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Select the method that works best for you and follow the instructions provided. Step 4. Verify your identity. Once you receive the verification code, enter it in a designated field to verify your identity. This step is crucial to ensure that only you can reset the two-factor authentication. Step 5. Set up new two-factor authentication. After successfully verifying your identity, you will be prompted to set up a new two-factor authentication method. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Once you have completed these steps, you should have successfully reset your two-factor authentication on Stripe. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Stripe support for further assistance.